Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a home and lifestyle subscription, and it is the very large Charlie's Charming Treasures monthly subscription box. If you're new to this subscription, then carry on watching, but if you've seen it all before in my last video or on my Instagram page and you just rather get into seeing what's inside their June box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Charlie's Charming Treasures is a relatively new subscription box. It was launched in March this year, and it's a mother and son duo. Charlie has autism, and it has never ever let him be held back as far as achievements and goals are concerned. Charlie and his mother wanted to create a subscription box that seemed to be lacking in the UK sub-box market, solely on quality hand-picked products for the house. So you're talking textiles, home decor, stationery, jewellery, homeware, fitness and sweet treats as well, all within a lovely monthly theme. The cost of the box is £38.99 and there's £2.99 shipping, and this box ships internationally and postage is calculated at checkout. This box is gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and all links related to the subscription you will find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. And I forgot to say that inside every box you will receive between 5 to 8 products. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside. They're quite heavy. June box. We've got a leaflet here and it details everything about the theme and the products, and this month's theme is the Secret Garden box. And I'll give you a sneak peek. Now you're not going to be able to see it fully, but I will go through it one by one, showing you what's inside. Okay, going back to the leaflet, it says June is Gemini month. Welcome to Charlie's Charming Treasures. We are proud to present you with our June box. June is a month where the weather starts to get a little warmer and time spent in the garden becomes fun. We decided to theme this month's box around the garden. Every month I like to feature a small business of the month, and for June it's Linen Draper Prints. In a box you will find a cute Plant Me pencil by Linen Draper Prints, whom you can find on Facebook. You can use this pencil to write or draw with, then simply plant it in the garden and watch them start to grow. We loved the idea of seeded pencils and thought it was super cool and fun item to include in this month's box. I have never heard of anything like this before. So it's a Plant Me carrot. The carrots, carrot seeds. There's a little pencil there. Ooh, can you see? There's a little pencil there. And you can see some seeds on the top there. It says, plant the pencil at a slight angle to allow the cap to decompose. Keep the soil moist to encourage growth and keep the seeds covered in soil. Water regularly at the root and make sure your carrots get lots of sun. I love this. It's a little bit quirky, a little bit different, and I just think it's fab. Oh my gosh. I know my children are going to love this as well, particularly my youngest one, who loves planting in the garden. I love that. Next we've got a cactus hydroponic plant pot. Hydroponic, what's a hydroponic? Look, how cute is that? How cute. It's time for better living through chemistry. I thought as much. We've sourced for you a beautiful laboratory pot, also known as a hydroponic pot. Chemistry was never my strongest point in school. Set in a wooden cactus stand to plant small plants, stems and succulents in. Made from recycled glass and wood, we feel this is a super cute way to bring a bit of the garden into your kitchen, bedroom or office. I love that. That is so, so cute. Yeah, I do really like that. Okay, so this is a double wall ceramic thermal travel mug. Just get this out. I love these. I have got another one very similar to that. I do really like them. Look. Handy for car journeys. The perfect item when doing a spot of gardening is a travel mug to stop your cuppa getting cold and those critters going for the hot swim. Yeah. So we've got a mug. Next we've got a coconut bird feeder. That is gorgeous, isn't it? It says bird feeder. Ooh. It says bird feeder on there. Look. Although saying that, it looks like a cobra from the sides. But they know they're two little birds, little parrot birds. I think that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That's what I love about this box, is that it's all unique things that you'd never see in other subscription boxes. I do really, really like it. And they're usable as well. Yeah, I'm going to put that in my tree straight away. We have got one tree. We've got little trees, but one massive eucalyptus tree. Don't know how old it is. Don't know how old, but it's huge. And it's just full of lights. We've got bird boxes. So this is going to go up on there. I really like that. I love the fact that it's made out of coconut as well. So it says, this was one of our favourite items, hand carved from a coconut and easy to put up, whether you have a balcony, garden, or even on the outside of your window. A really sweet way to feed the birds and invite a little bit of wildlife into your environment. Yeah, that's super cute. And we've got a bag of bird seed to go in it. There. That's handy, so I can put it straight out there and feed the birds straight away. Next we've got some jewellery. This is AW jewellery. Oh my word. They are so pretty. Oh, look at those. Look at those. Can you see how delicate they are? Oh my gosh, they are so, so pretty. I really like those. I'm quite fussy when it comes to earrings, any jewellery. Quite fussy, but I love those. I love the colour. They are so pretty. They are really, really pretty. I haven't seen anything like this before. So these leaf earrings are made with real leaves. Really? That was quite high then, apologies. Using a unique electroplanting method, the leaves are turned to metal. We thought these were a special item that had to be included this month. That is crazy, the actual leaves. Wow. Look, I hope you can see there. I hope you can see how delicate they are. Wow. AW jewellery. Yeah, I am super impressed with these. Next you've got a cactus candle. It looks like a real cactus. That is so lovely. Look, I've got one right behind us actually, in my windowsill. This is an actual real cactus. Look, got a candle. I love cactuses and I love candles, so this is perfect for me. It's stuck in there, I can't get it out. Hasn't got a scent to it. I like the little pot in there as well. Oh, I like that. So, you may think this looks like a miniature plant in a pot, but it's actually a candle, believe it or not. Perfect to have lit on late sunset evenings with a glass of something sparkly. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Really nice. And then lastly, we've got some tea bags to go in our Namaste tea mug. So these are by Nemai Organic English Breakfast. You can see there. I drink coffee, but I am a tea lover first. I only tend to drink coffee if I'm out and about, if I meet someone in a cafe or something. That is usually when I drink coffee. If I drink too much coffee, it makes me sleepy. I have the opposite effect. Caffeine has the opposite effect on me. I've got ADHD, so that might be why. Calm, clear down, give us some coffee. I prefer tea anyway. I have a massive cup of tea in the morning, and then throughout the day then the cups get smaller. And yeah, look at these. The little pyramid bags there of English tea. Plastic free, organic and fair trade, this beautifully presented box of tea bags are perfect to brew in your new travel mug. Enclosed is a card with further information all about Nemi tea, which is here. So yeah, so those are all the products inside this month's Charlie's Charming Treasures subscription box. I'll just go through them one by one, doing a bit of a recap. So we've got a coconut bird feeder. Got some bird seed to put in the feeder. We've got a hydroponic cactus plant pot. We've got a Namaste tea travel mug. We've got some organic British tea bags from Nemai or Nemi. We've got a cactus candle in a pot. We've got a planting pencil to plant carrot seeds. And lastly, we've got these gorgeous leaf earrings made from real leaves turned into metal. I just spotted this in the box. It's a little added extra. Isn't it cute? It's just like a little plaque to hang up. That's so cute. It says, be your own kind of beautiful. There's a little added extra in the box there. It's such a great box. It is such a great box. I love the theme. I like the fact that we were given a cup and we were given tea bags. Handy. Love the fact that we were given a bird feeder and seeds as well. These are just stunning. They are so, so pretty. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the products inside this month's box? Have you subscribed, or is this something new that you're wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.